Hello everyone. Today we will see what is egg pickup procedure or the oocyte retrieval procedure. It's a very important step in an IVF procedure. After the woman is stimulated with injections and her eggs are ready, she is prepared for egg retrieval, which is done under a short sedation. All the fluid which is there in the follicles are aspirated with the help of a needle which is attached to the transvaginal ultrasound probe. As you can see in this image, a long needle is attached to the transvaginal ultrasound probe, and that pierces the vagina to reach the ovaries, and all the follicles fluid in the follicles is aspirated and it is collected in the tube. So it's a daycare procedure, and since the woman is under anesthesia, it does not cause any pain to her. Now let's see how we go about this procedure in reality. Thank you. How do we proceed with the procedure of egg pickup? Here you can see the arrangement of the trolley, which has a scan probe to which the OPO needle is attached, OPO probe is attached, and then this is the OPO needle, which is a long needle. This pierces through the vagina and directly reaches the ovaries. Here you can see the ovaries with multiple follicles which are enlarged, and we'll be aspirating these follicles one by one. Patient is under general anesthesia, short general anesthesia. You can see the follicle getting emptied slowly. Follicles of all sizes will be aspirated, big and small, but usually the follicles which are more than 14 mm in size contain an